Welcome back. This video is how to set up your Google Tag Manager for WordPress. So step one, you're going to set up your Google Marketing Platform account. Now that you've signed in, now you're going to set up your tag. So next you're going to put your credentials. So your account name should be the name of your website. You put the website, you're going to put web and create. So now that your tag is created, you want to copy this tag and this tag. So let's copy this. So as some of you might know, the way that WordPress works is via plugins. So you're going to create a new plugin in your admin portal, and you're going to add the plugin Google Tag Manager and then install it. So this WordPress plugin is the one that you're going to want to choose, the GTM 4WP. So let's install it. Okay, so we're going to activate it, and then let's go back to Google Tag Manager. What you then do is take your Google Tag ID and paste it there. You set that to on. You set up integration, check that, save the changes, and then Google Tag should be set up using GTM. So the other way is to install another plugin called Theme Editor. So let's do that now. Now activate Theme Editor and click on Theme Code Editor. So note, you want to switch the theme to the child. Now under Theme Files, we're going to find header.php. Now what we're going to do is paste this script tag for head and script tag for body into our code. Then click Update File. Click on Preview. Next, the Google Tag Manager will show up, as you can see that GTM right there. Finally, you're going to click Connect, and you'll be connected. Make sure to subscribe.